In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in CapCut PC. Trimming is one of the most basic but powerful editing skills you can learn, and it's usually the very first step in cleaning up any video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to remove unwanted parts at the beginning and the end of your clips, so your video feels tighter, more professional, and easier to watch. First, make sure you already have your video open in the CapCut editor on your computer. When the editor is open, look towards the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll see the timeline. The timeline is the horizontal strip that shows all of your video clips and, if you have them, your audio tracks and other elements. On this timeline, find the track that contains the video you want to trim. If you're working with a single clip, you'll likely see just one long bar. If you have multiple clips, you'll see several bars in a row. Click once on the clip you want to trim to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted or outlined. Now, to start trimming, move your mouse to the very beginning or the very end of that selected video clip on the timeline. Slowly hover over the edge of the clip. As you do this, your cursor will change into a trim handle, which usually looks like a bracket or a small arrow at the edge of the clip. When you see that trim handle, click and hold your mouse button, then drag inward toward the center of the clip. Dragging inward from the left side will trim the beginning. This is perfect if you want to remove a countdown, an awkward pause, or the moment you were getting ready before speaking. Dragging inward from the right side will trim the end, which is useful for cutting off silence, mistakes, or extra footage you don't need. Take your time and drag just a little bit at first, then let go and play the clip back to check your timing. You can always trim a bit more if needed. If you trim too much, you can simply drag the edge back out to restore that portion of the clip, as long as you haven't cut or deleted anything else. Once you're happy with how the clip starts and ends, you're done. That's all there is to trimming a video in CapCut on PC.